Matt Cuber is here, and today we got another mini unboxing. Not that mini though, so yeah, let's just get straight into it. So first off the bat, we have the YuXin Little Magic. The box is really cool, and then we have the MoYu Weilong GTS3M. So I'm pretty sure this is stickerless. Yeah, I think so. So I'm really excited. I hope both of these cubes are super awesome and can't wait to test them out myself. Let's set the Weilong aside first and open the YuXin Little Magic. Oh yes, that's what I love. Alright, right off the bat, I can see that the stickers are super awesome. This one is my favorite shades. It's ocean blue, I think. Well, it's not that clear on camera, but I'm pretty sure that's ocean blue. I love it, so let's just get into first turns. Wow. What the heck? This is way much better than I thought it's gonna be. What the heck? Let's do a checkerboard pattern on this cube. Oh wow. Yep, this is definitely a really good cube. So right off the bat, I can feel that the cube is really kind of dry. This color cutting is great, super well. For more than 45 degrees, and yes, let's try reverse color cutting. Well, there are things that well reverse color cutting, but it's pretty well at normal. I'm surprised. I mean, it feels really similar to the one that I got from the student box, but it's just a lot more smoother and corner cuts is so much better. I love it. I'm in love with this little magic. So I must have a video about this setting it up, because why not? It's kind of very loose. It's kind of loose and it's really dry. So I might do a video on setting this cube up. Moving on, but first let's clear these cubes. Alright. So moving on, we have the MoYu Weilong GTS3M 3x3. I'm super excited about this cube. I've never opened this kind of box before, so yeah. So let's just get straight into the box opening, I guess. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh gosh, it's kind of hard to open it. All right, what we got here? Alright, this is the box, I guess. I can definitely hear something shake. I'm not so sure about that. There's definitely something loose inside, but alright. I'm so excited. Let's open this. Here we go. Yo! Check these out. Alright, so right off the bat, I can see this box with this MoYu logo on it. Alright. Oh my gosh, dude. So I'm pretty sure this is a stand too, so well, we'll move on to the cube later, but yeah, this is a stand too. Alright, let's try making this. I'm not so sure about that. All the way around. Nope. Yep, I think that's it. Oh gosh. There we go, I finally got it. So, yep, it's just a stand. The box itself is really cool. So they also included, what looks like is some MoYu accessory box. Alright, let's see what's inside. Oh, there's something shiny. Oh, it's a screwdriver. Some extra piece of magnets. Some extra piece. What the hell? So I'm not so sure what the heck this is, but I'm pretty sure it's a new tensioning tool, I guess. Well, we got the tutorial card and well, the tutorial on how to set it up. And we have this kind of card. How do we open it? Alright, just one. So we have both of these cards. I'm not so sure I know these two, but yeah, I recognize these two people. So it's really nice of them giving me one of these screwdriver because this is really cool and they have their logo on it. So cool. So well, let's just put that away, I guess, since we know what's inside. Well, this cube is really cool. I'm just gonna be keeping this for now because I'm not so sure what the heck these are. But let's just get straight into the cube. The colors are nuts. It's so awesome. Oh my gosh. I'm just curious how this cube will turn. Alright, first turn. Alright, not so sure about that, but it is a really great cube. I can feel the magnets. It is pretty strong. I'm curious to see what the magnetism is. It's really tight. Alright, let's try to get one piece out. Unfortunately, I can't get it out for some goddamn reason. So let's check out the inside of this, where usually the screw will be. Alright. Oh gosh. Yo, so this is the new one, I guess. How do I use this? So I'm pretty sure you just pop it up like this. What? What the heck is this for? So this is for turning. So is it just an extra piece? Wait a minute. Is this just an extra piece? Yeah, I think it is. What the heck? Let's try. What the heck? So, okay, I make the tension a little bit loose. Alright. Let's tighten it up. And it should go back to normal. Yep. This new sector is so cool, and they do have the screw in it. Right off the bat, it feels really dry, super dry. No idea what's that supposed to be. Wait, is it all for all? Yeah, it is. It's for all other sides. Oh my god. This really surprised me, Yeah, the cube is super awesome. I love the cube. I also love the little magic. My gosh, this cube is nuts. Even though it doesn't have magnets in it, it's still a really great budget cube. Only for $4.40? Man, Jesus, I'm not so sure about that. Let's put a little magic on that. Still pretty cool. Alright, but our MoYu, I'm not just quite surprised because this is what normal MoYu feels like. This kind of feels like MF3RS, but I'm not sure. It's just like magnetic MF3RS. I've definitely feel the magnets. The corner cuts isn't great. I mean, it's still the corner cuts, but it's not that great. You need some force in order to corner cut. So yeah, I must set these two cubes up in just one video. Also, the YuXin actually really surprised me. Oh gosh. So of course, these two cubes might be my main. After setting it up, I'm not so sure. So it might just be my main. I mean, you could go competition with this little magic. What the hell is this, dude? It's so good. YuXin, can you please explain how was this so good? I mean, what the heck, dude? Alright, let's do a flower pattern. Flower pattern is always the best. Okay. Like, alright, let's try scrambling up and solve these cubes. First turns are quite good for this MoYu because it's quite new. Alright, I only know the beginner's method, so yeah, I'm heck slow. So, alright. Yep, I guess that's it. Alright, ready, go. Okay, so I'm not so sure about this tightness also, because this is definitely not the greatest tension I had. My SM is Scans Air SM. It's actually better than this, but I don't know, it may be better than the SM. After setting it up, I'm not so sure. Alright, yep, that's it. Oh, I messed up so badly. You see what I mean? I still suck at Rubik's Cube, so oh gosh, I'm such an idiot. Now I gotta find the correct piece. I hate you threes. There we go, I solved it. So it's kind of a nice solve. The magnets of the solve is definitely have increased a lot. The strength of it has, oh my god, it's increased a lot. Most of this cube does not comes in plastic wraps, except for the packaging for the Weilong, but that's okay. YuXin little magic. Let's do a solve on this. Scramble it up. Alright, this seems to be scrambled. Let's see the cube, I guess. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, this is bloody legend. Alright, so yeah, that's all for this video, I guess. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.